Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on ASUS ZenFone 12 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and then click install. And now you can click open. And here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel. And now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click not now. Here you can turn notifications from this browser, or you can click not now again. And here you can select your theme, or you can click save and continue. And you can select turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And here you can install some extensions into your browser, or you can just click start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.